So next I'm solving this question, question number 6. An isosceles
Sir,
cell.
could you
Hmm.
sir could you once go up, sir? I just want to clarify the fifth problem.
Tell.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Over. Akshat.
Yes, sir. Over, sir.
Okay. Then isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. So equal sides they are saying this is 12, this is 12. And total A plus B plus C is equals to 30. It means 12 plus 12 plus C. 12 plus 12 plus C is equals to 30. C is equals to 6. This we got 6 centimeter. Then find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equals to S. You can find S. S is equals to 30 divided by 2, that is 15 centimeter. So root over S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root over 15, 15 minus 6, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12. So 15, 9, 6, 15, right? 3, 3. 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 pair, 2 pair. It's coming 9 root 15. No, yeah, it's correct.
Yes, sir.
So this first exercise got finished. Then we're moving to the next exercise. That is exercise number 8.12.2. The park is shape of quadrilateral ABCD. C is 90 degree. The ABCDD. So ABC, C is 90 degree. Take this is C. AB is 9 centimeter. BC is 12. This is 12. You let this is AB. AB is 9. And CD is 5. CD is 5. It's coming somewhere down. You just let it here, A bit topper. Okay. Like this. A, B, C, and D. This is 9. This is 5. Okay. The park and AD is 8 centimeter. So this is like how much area does it occupy? It's very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your hypotenuse. This is 90 degree that's saying, so you can find the middle part of it. So you can write here BD is equals to root over CD square plus CB square. So CD is 5 square plus CB, that is 12 square. So 25 plus 144, that is 13. Okay, so we are getting this is 13. So you can find both the area separate and get the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This area and this area. This is directly you can use half base into height, and this you can use Haydn's formula.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sai Charan, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. AB is 3, BC is 4, CD, D. This is easier, nothing is there. Separate two. Simply ABCD you do anyway. Right here A, B, C, D. AB is 3, BC is 4, CD is 4, DA is 5, AC is 5. So this is more easier, nothing is there in this. Both separate. If you use Aaron's formula because there is no 90 degree over here, you can find this easily.
Sir, can we do like means directly, sir, means not doing separate area?
Okay, how you will do? Which formula you
5.
use? Hmm?
Okay. Yes, sir. Heron's formula is only for triangles.
No, any other method you know?
No, sir.
See, proper coordinate is there. How base into height you can do. Base is 4. Height, if you know, you can do that. Okay. Base into height is for quadrilateral. See, if you are having a square also, no, a square. Suppose if you are having a square or rectangle, anything. So all this one, all your what is this? All your this rectangle is there. But how length into breadth is coming? Area is length into width. How? This is length. This is breadth. See, this is base into height. See, base into height. If you are writing a square also, if you see a square also, so what is the area of a square that you know? Side square, right?
Yes, sir.
The how side square? Base into height. So a into a. See, that is a square. Understood? So quadrilateral is all 90% like that only. It's base into height. Now next question is question number 3rd. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper as shown in figure 12.15. Find the total area of the paper used. Total, you should find the area. See children, here you can find first part of it is this one. What I'm writing here is try to just get it. This is the first part, 5, 5, and this is 1 centimeter. See this down they have mentioned 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so you can find this one first. I'm just putting here some. So this is the first area. Okay. Second area they've given for this. Second area they have given for this one. Okay. So this one simply rectangle formula you can use. This total is 6.5 and width length is 6.5 centimeter and width is 1 centimeter. Okay. So you can use
Sir, for the rectangle, you can use the rectangle formula. But what about the trapezium down, sir? Do you break it down into half, into triangles again?
wait, I'll tell you that one. The third part, I'm just going to third part only. First and second
Okay,
part
sir.
you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
So third part,
Sir, first is the Heron's formula, sir.
yeah, 5, 5, 1. Yeah,
Yes. And second is rectangular.
yeah, second is rectangular, yes. Third one, see trapezium part. What is the area of trapezium? Actually, you know, what is the area of trapezium? General formula. This is 1, this is 1. See, actually general formula of trapezium is, I'm writing here, area of trapezium.
Sir, it's area into half into distance or parallel sides. I forgot. It's
Yeah.
something like that. This only, I
Half
guess.
into sum of parallel sides into distance between them, into height, or you can say distance between them, which you can write better. So parallel side is which one? This one is, and this one is parallel side. The 1 and 2 you know, means you know half and sum of parallel sides that you know 1 plus 2, correct? This height
Yes.
you doesn't know, height. So height you can find. See, if you made here 2 lines like this, so this is 1, if upper part is 1, so this lower part is also 1. And this
Yes,
part
sir.
you can write 0.5 and this part is 0.5. So in this triangle you can find the height by using Pythagoras
Yes.
theorem. So you can write here, if you write here ABCD name A, B, C, D, and you just write with some other pen. I'm writing here A, B, C, D, E, F. So AE I can write here AE square is equals to AF square minus FE square. Or AE is equals to, we can write AE is equals to root over AF square minus FE square. So AF is nothing but 1 square minus 0.5 square. So here is 1 as it is minus 0.05, sorry, 0.25, no? So we'll get root over 0.75. So what is 0.75? You might be knowing, right? So you can write 75 by 100 if you want, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but what? 3 by 4. So answer is root 3 by 2. Understood? So you can multiply here, you can write here root 3 by 2. So this you can write here 3 root 3 by 4. Understood or not? Understood, Akshay?
Understood, sir.
And fifth one is very easy. This you can find is this is 90 degree, no? Half base into
Sir.
height you can use, huh?
Yes, sir.
So 3 root 3 divided by 2, 4. So next part of fourth one. All of you just draw the diagram at least. Base is 20 centimeter. Here we are having triangle as well as parallelogram. So triangle, if we write, it looks like so this is 26, this is 26, this is 30. Now parallelogram, on the same base parallelogram also lies, and the parallelogram stands on the same base, that is 28. If the sides of the triangle are this, same base and same area, so parallelogram must be looks like, it may be like this, no? Parallelogram must be, base will remain the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Here in the shapes, there will be parallel.
Huh? See, we can write if both are on same base and having same area, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, but if you extend the line, then it will be easier, right, sir?
Which
If you extend the
which
blue
line
color line till 26, then you can directly connect it.
anywhere, not a problem. If you extend here also,
Yes, sir, that's what.
no problem. Anyway, you can do. This will not have benefit. You can write it like this also, like this, like this, like this also. You can write.
Sir, but
yeah, but it
sir,
doesn't
so
look.
it has to stay with 26. Sir, if you extend the straight line first, like you extend the line straight and then you meet it up to the point, the tip of the triangle, then you can directly find the area, right?
See how easy it
You
is.
can
I'm telling
directly find it.
Yeah, you can like this also. You can do your wish. How you are doing, want to do, you can do that. See, like this
Okay.
also you can do. No problem at all. Right here A, B, C, D, and E. See what you write here as it. You just write here area of triangle is equals to what? Area of parallelogram. That's it. And area of parallelogram is what? Base into height.
Yes, sir.
Where we know already base 28 and height, we can find height if you know the area of triangle. An area of triangle we can easily find. Understood?
Yes, sir, understood.
So nothing how we are drawing this one, it doesn't mean anything. This should be parallelogram, that's it. So if you draw very small or whatever it is, area of triangle you can find easily. When 30, 28 and 26 are there, right? The S you can find
Yes.
S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 26 plus 30 plus 28 divided by 2, you will get 28 only, okay? Because see, two difference are there, 28 will come in the middle. So you can find area of the triangle. Area of triangle is equals to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so you can find easily. S is 28, 28 minus 26, 28 minus 30, 28 minus 28. Okay. Is it coming in this only? No. Wait. This should not come 0. Something we did mistake. I did a mistake here. See 26 plus 30 plus 28 divided by 2. You just see, children, what you are getting.
Okay, sir.
I think 28 only should come, as per my knowledge.
Sir, I also think 28 should only come.
Mean is 28. Mean is nothing but divide by 3 if you do, then 28 will come. If divide by 2 you'll do, no, then something more will come. Just check.
26.
So we can write here 42. Because if we get 28 minus 20, we get 0. So no use of it. Area becomes 0. How area becomes 0 of a triangle?
Yes, sir. So it will be 42.
Yeah, 42, 42. If area becomes 0 of a triangle, no, it means all three lines of a triangle lies on the same line. Means collinear lines.
Okay, sir.
So 42 minus 28. Collinear lines is you understood, no? This all three lines A, B, C lie on the same line. A, B, C.
Sir,
Here-
but that can't be counted as a triangle then,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. That is collinear points. You can tell it is not a triangle. Collinear
Okay.
points. Yeah. So here you can find the area what you are getting. That you write here. Then h is equals to what area you'll get divided by 28 you'll do, you'll get the height of the triangle, height of the parallelogram. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this you can write for hint if you want. So what to do first? First you just draw a rhombus here. Okay, then you join the lines. Join the lines. This one. Hmm. Okay, fine. So here they're given all sides are 30. Rhombus are having all equal sides. So 30, all sides are 30, 30, 30, 30. And here diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Understood? You know that children, properties of rhombus. The
Yes.
diagonals bisect each
Yes, sir.
other by 90 degree and diagonal is 48. Diagonal also bisect means this is 24 and this is also 24. Understood? If this is 90 degree, you can find by Pythagoras theorem this side. You can find or not. So you can write here, you can name it A, B, C, D, and middle point you can write O. So in triangle BOC, BO is equals to root over BC square minus OC square. This is clear. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
900 minus 576? No. 25, 625. Yeah, this is 576. 900 minus 600 is 300, 324. So this will come 18. Okay, so this is 18. So this part is also 18. So area of rhombus is equals to d1 into d2, that is 36 into 48. Just check children, rhombus area is d1 into d2 or half d1 into d2?
Sir, rhombus area is D1 into D2 only, sir.